So it's our first trip to the beach for, well, it's not summer yet, but soon. Beautiful. Way too cold to be getting in the water though, so we're just having a walk today. Hopefully fly the drone. Have a look at the beautiful ocean out there. Lots of people down this way. Their cars, dogs. Enjoying a beautiful day. I should get a couple more nice days, and then it's going to turn to the shit.
Rightio. It's the start of summer.
Until then, enjoy.
We enjoy.
Yeah. Torture. It's down.
Race to the car.
And then there's still a lot more up.
Through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about all the captains, but we left in a wasted planet.